Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The biggest question I'm getting in relation to these phones is, if I own a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, do I upgrade, should I upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra? And in this video I have an answer for you, and I'm going to give that answer to you right now, and then I'm going to explain why. Upgrading from the Note 9 to the Note 20 Ultra should be a no-brainer if you do it as soon as possible. Let's dive in and talk about why I said that. Now, obviously, when you upgrade from the Note 9 to the Note 20 Ultra, you are going to get a lot of benefits. You know, you're getting a brand new processor, so faster performance. You're getting a brand new display design. You get that punch hole cutout and, of course, nearly bezel-less screen. You get faster UFS storage, better cameras, basically better everything. It is a huge upgrade, but then there's a question of the price. The Note 20 Ultra is going to be $1,400, okay? So why am I saying it's a no-brainer to upgrade from the Note 9? Here's the reason. What Samsung is going to do for people that reserve the phone right now is they're going to give you enhanced trade-in values. So for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, you'll end up getting $550 trade-in credit towards the Note 20 Ultra. So if the Note 20 Ultra is $1,400, that drops the price to $850. Additionally, like I said, if you reserve your pre-order right now by going to their website and just clicking the reserve button, all you have to do is give your name and your email. You also get a $50 credit, so that credit drops the price down to $800. And then on top of that, as we know, when you early pre-order Samsung smartphones, Samsung gives you free goodies, so you'll most likely end up getting Galaxy Buds Live as well. So for $800, you'll get a Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Buds Lives. I think that's a great deal, especially because you're trading in a 2-year-old phone and you're getting $550. If you take a Note 9 and you try to sell that independently on eBay or Swappa, you're getting somewhere around $300 to $400. Now that's a bad price, but if Samsung wants to give you directly $550 for your Note 9, I think you should jump on it right away. So to accomplish this, what you would have to do is go to Samsung.com, click the reserve button, reserve your phone. There's no obligation. This is just a reservation to pre-order. And then when the day of the pre-order comes in, which is going to be August 5th or the 6th, you just put in the numbers and see what you get. Okay, like I said, you're going to end up getting the Note 20 Ultra for $800. And if you were to end up getting the Note 20, the smaller model, you'll probably get that for $500 to $600. Okay, so if you own a Note 9, I would highly encourage you guys to actually trade that in as soon as possible and get the Note 20 Ultra only if you want the Note 20 Ultra. If you're satisfied with your Note 9, obviously you don't have to upgrade, but if you're not satisfied, if you are drooling for that latest product, I think you should do it. The fact that they're giving you $550 for the trade-in on that Note 9, which is 2 years old, is fantastic. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.